When the photoelectric sensor detects a target, it sends a trigger signal to the industrial camera. The camera then captures an image and simultaneously activates the light source, ensuring precise and efficient image acquisition. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the photoelectric sensor. Connect PNP signal line to trigger input. Connect the camera signal output to the light source controller. Connect the 12-volt power supply positive terminal to the light source controller. The final step is to connect the GND wire. Now that the photoelectric sensor is connected, let's check out the results.